Welcome back to Fab Fun. My name's Logan. Nice to have you guys with us today. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of work on the pond dam. Actually, most of the video that you're going to watch was recorded yesterday because it's been raining all morning and it is a wet mess out here today. So I forgot to do the intro and outro with a microphone. It's just me talking to the camera with no sound, so I'm recording the intro and outro today in this soggy mess. And I've definitely got a lot left to clean up. I want to take out all these trees. I might save that walnut. And by the way, can anybody tell me what species this is? I am not very good about identifying tree species, but here's a leaf. There's some of the wood. There's the stump. It's about 24-25 inches across. That was a maple, and I don't remember what this was. But stay tuned for the video. Well, I'm pretty sure if it was a Kubota M series, it wouldn't have even moved it. Guess I could have put it in four-wheel drive and taken that tree out too, but I didn't want to rip a hole all the way through the dam, you know? Okay, I'll shut up. Can you tell the camera what's going on?
Camera, what's going on here?
Very peaceful out here. Spend a lot of time trying to improve things, fix things, buy things, get things, help people, do stuff, whatever it is. Spend a lot of time doing, and very little time to just stop and look around. And so I would encourage everybody that watches the channel, from time to time, you know, maybe YouTubers shouldn't say this, but shut all the technology off, go outside. As long as you've got some space to do it, stare into the trees for 5 minutes or something. It's a good way to detox from all the technology and busyness we surround ourselves with. So definitely would encourage you to do that. She thinks she's a beaver. Are you a beaver? Are you a beaver? I still see you. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. We do appreciate it. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And do me one favor. Go outside when the sun's shining and just soak up some of these fall colors. We'll catch you next time. Have fun.